Today we are removing my exhaust because one of the hangers is broken and we're installing a rear diffuser from Verus. That's what I'm doing today. I have a bunch of other aero parts. I have the front lip from Maxton, the rear spats, carbon fiber eyelids. I don't have the side skirts, so I have to order that from Europe. I was just sick for like a week, so I'm like trying to jump back into things. But these parts have been sitting 2-3 months now, like almost since the year started. I'm gonna hop back on the grind, you know, try to post more. I know I haven't gotten tires. I have a process, and I'll just explain later in detail when that happens. So yeah, let's just hop straight into it. Forgot to mention was I'm removing this black fake plastic diffuser, but I also like when people take this black trim off and show off the exhaust, but I have to take this exhaust off because one of the hangers, I don't know if you can see in there, so one of the hangers is currently like split open, and then it's causing my exhaust to rattle, which I don't like. So yeah, I'll be taking the exhaust off from the axle back. So it came a little bent from the mail. If you can see that, it's supposed to be straight, but hopefully the brackets that hold this will straighten it out, like when you tighten it all together. So that was the only thing that's bad about this, is that bend right there. I actually want to know what it'll sound like running no exhaust. So it's literally just catless downpipe and a mid pipe, and then straight out. Since my exhaust is hanging, I'm just gonna warm start it. Well, yeah, it should be warm. Wow, that is a big difference. It sounds, what's it called? It sounds really, like a really deep tone. All right, after some time, got all the plastic brackets off. And then here's the old diffuser, I guess you could say. Here's what it looks like without a diffuser. Kind of looks sick. I still have to, if you look closely, I have to get a Dremel and Dremel all this out so that it's just the red showing. But for now, it looks pretty good. Like if you're up here, then you can't really see the brackets. It just looks empty. And then if I still had a full exhaust, the tips would come out here and here, and then the diffuser is gonna come up. So I'll start recording when I get the diffuser on. After some time and a little bit of sweat, it was a little wabi-sabi at first, and then it corrected itself after I put that back bracket, because that's the support for both sides when I was watching the video. So before it was like slanted, like probably not that much, but like a little bit. But now it's all good. I just need to zip tie the exhaust valve connector up there, since I won't be running an exhaust. And then the exhaust is, I can't really see it, but it's in there. And you guys already heard it, so sorry neighbors.